Steve, does the economic downturn create a new opportunity for Microsoft to get its technology into more cars, not just Fords?
I think economic downturn or not, I mean, the future is absolutely to provide more of the right services in car with the right level of safety as well, very important, and that's why things like the hands-free functionality on Sync are so important. We see a big opportunity on that. And you know, they talk about the size of the U.S. auto market, 10 million vehicles, 12, 14, yep, 16, whatever it's going to be. It's a lot of cars, and then you project that out globally, and we just see a tremendous opportunity, and we're glad to have Ford as a lead partner.
Wasn't just, I might add to that, it was a neat arrangement because, you know, clearly Microsoft has a lot of capability, and Ford, you know, is leading the edge, is on the leading edge of innovation in automobile technology. But we also wanted to make sure that Steve could support all the customers. So even though we have an exclusive for the first year on Microsoft on Sync itself, we also have an agreement that he can support the other customers too, which I think is great for all of us, because like Steve said, to be able to seamlessly connect to the internet, that be hands-free and voice activated, to maintain all the safety features, but then have all your communication, navigation devices with you, is absolutely the future. And the car is another node on the big internet in the sky.
Is this a step towards a fully integrated, you know, computer and car relationship? Right now, you could see it as an optional thing, but is it going to be supposed to be more of an integrated thing going forward?
I think absolutely it'll be mainstream. And what was really exciting to all of us is that people just do not want to be disconnected. We all want to be connected, whether it's our communication devices or whether it's navigation or guidance. And now we added the new 911 feature, which automatically will get you help when you need it. So it's kind of like, you know, the car is the centerpiece of our life, and we want to be seamlessly connected all the time that we're in our car. And of course, Ford and Microsoft are leading the way in that, but it's like information, it's going to be ubiquitous going forward.
Yeah, the fact that Alan can say there's a 70% take rate means that if you make it easy, most people are going to want it at some point. You know, like everything else on cars, it'll become the default as opposed to the thing you order extra, and then the question will be how many people choose to carve it out. And just take from when I was a kid, it used to be, you know, the power brakes was an option. They're not an option anymore, and I think this stuff all goes the same direction.
And so it really is a neat blend, because if you look at the reasons people at the top of their list for choosing a car will be quality and the features that you really want, and then of course the fuel efficiency, and then the safety. And so a feature like Sync really delivers on all three of those pillars of why we buy a car. So I think we'll just see more and more capable vehicles going forward as the technology improves.